So any blogger to update the videos, that is for total 3 type of channels are there: YouTube, Dailymotion, and Vimeo. Any video uploading same pattern. So first I'm searching for YouTube. So I'm searching for Children Rhymes in Telugu. Children Rhymes in Telugu. Select it. Okay. I'm searching for this option. Okay. Here, video uploading, first of all, two options. Which one? YouTube main URL, first option. I'll show by two options. Copy. Next I'm selecting for Notepad. Thanks. Select here. Go to Blogger, Dashboard. What option call is Pages. Which way I'm selecting for? Children Rhymes in Telugu. Click for Edit. In this first. Which one? 27 Telugu Nursery Children Rhymes. Here. So select YouTube URL. What option call is? Insert a video from YouTube. Search. The video is playing. The videos are playing. They can't play. So what is showing for size will be very small. I can't change by width and height. Second one. Coming to share. In the option call is embed code. Copy. Go to Blogger dashboard. Here Blogger dashboard will be two options. With the content compose. With HTML, go to HTML format. HTML for nothing but coding format. It's nothing but coding format. Right now. Video playing. Video playing. Here, YouTube recently one update is called any video autoplay will be removed. That is called developer writing for this type of code. This type of code. In this, what is the mention for particular ID? Mention particular ID. Just go to video, select your ID. This any video, particular ID will be 11 characters. Any particular YouTube video, ID will be 11 characters. Total channel, 21 characters. Total YouTube channel will be 21. Particular one video, 11 characters. Select it. Update. Copy. Come into this. Next. Paste here. Done. Now click for compose. This video not playing. This video automatic play. Means I'm not click the play button. You can see. Update. Select your Children Rhymes in Telugu. First video. Small. Second video like this. Third video. automatic play. So any kind of application, any kind of website to play any video automatically means that is called increase your YouTube views. Increase your YouTube views. Here only one drawback is called the ads will be not play. Only drawback is called what are the ads will be there that will be not appear by the autoplay videos. View will be increased, earning will be affected. Any kind of business videos to increase your business values will play by the automatic. That will be here. So always in this width will be 100%. Why? Width 100% means they're comfortable by the desktop, mobile, and tablet. If you give the particular size, coming to mobile, different size, desktop will be different size, and the tablet will be different size. The common size will be percentage. That is called 100%. So this is updating for your particular video play for particular website. One is called customized size and default size. Third will be autoplay with the customized size. Select, edit. What are the previous videos? Remove it. Only play for automated video. Update and click for refresh. Right now, how many videos are playing here? Only for one video. So, how many videos you want? Careful to watch. So, what are the title? Paste it. Okay. So, what are the title you copy for any website? First of all, prepared by the notepad. It's a very important task. Any kind of website content, copy by one website to another website. First of all, you can paste by notepad to paste by the another website. Select it, edit it, and after that, add here. So, if you increase the font to people visibility purpose, there by the lot. After, select your ID and remove the previous ID, add new ID, copy, where you can go for HTML, you can go to end of the code, paste it, search for compose. Clear? Two videos you can play for automatically. After that, give me space. Now click for update. First video and coming to second video. Then you can play for two videos. One will be stop and another one you can listen. Now, suddenly have one question. Can I increase my height? Can I increase my height? Simple go for edit, go to HTML. What is showing here? Increase height. How much? 500. Here 650. Update. Again refresh. These are sizes. First one, how much? 650. Size will be increased up to 650. Next one, up to 500. Height will be changed. Width will be common for 100%. To compatible by mobile, desktop and tablet purpose. This is a very important to understanding by the particular website. So particular website. So any website to advertise any videos, you can play for automatically on your particular any website.